A happy National Mathematics Day to all my friends, viewers, well-wishers, subscribers, all the mathos. So, a warm welcome to our S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh. So, on behalf of the birth anniversary of our Srinivasa Ramanujan, the eminent mathematician all over the world. So, on his birth anniversary, we are going to celebrate as National Mathematics Day, December 22nd, every year. So, at this at this occasion, I am going to demonstrate a detailed video related to the biography of Srinivasa Ramanujan. So, all the viewers, please go through the video completely for the various images and points contributions related to Srinivasa Ramanujan. Before that, previously I have gone through the video related to the problem Srinivasa Ramanujan. Nothing but the solution to the problem is 1729, the Ramanujan number. So you can watch it. Okay, the link will be given in the description, which has been asked for previously for IIT JEE. Okay, stay tuned. Srinivasa Ramanujan, 1887 AD to 1920 AD. So he is one of the India's greatest mathematical geniuses. Was born in his grandmother's house in Erode, a small village about 400 kilometers from the southwest of Madras. Previously, now it is Chennai, on 22nd December 1887. His father worked in the Kumbakonam as a clerk in a cloth merchant's shop. When he was nearly 5 years old, Ramanujan entered the primary school in Kumbakonam. It was in the town high school that Ramanujan came across a mathematics book by G.S. Carr called Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure Mathematics. The book contained theorems, formulae, and short proofs. The book, published in 1856, was of course well out of date by the time Ramanujan used it. Ramanujan, on the strength of his good schoolwork, got scholarship and joined Government College in Kumbakonam in 1904. However, the following year his scholarship was not renewed because Ramanujan devoted more and more of his time to mathematics and neglected his other subjects. He ran away to the town of Visakhapatnam, about 650 kilometers north of Madras, due to financial problems. However, he continued his mathematical work. In 1906, Ramanujan went to Madras, nothing but Chennai, where he entered Pachayappa's college. He attended lectures at that college but became ill after 3 months studying. He took the fine arts examination after having left the course. He passed in mathematics but failed in all other subjects and therefore failed in the examination. This meant that he could not enter the University of Madras. Continuing his mathematical work, Ramanujan studied continued fractions and divergence series in 1908. He married a 10-year-old named S. Janaki Ammal at the insistence of his mother on 14 July 1909. As a college dropout from a poor family, Ramanujan's position was precarious. He lived on the charity of friends, filling notebooks with mathematical discoveries and seeking patrons to support his work. Finally, he met with modest success when the Indian mathematician Ramchandra Rao provided him with first a modest subsidy and later a clerkship at the Madras Port Trust. Ramanujan had his first paper published, a 17-page work on the Bernoulli's number, that appeared in 1911 in the Journal of the Indian Mathematical Society. With the encouragement of friends, he wrote to mathematicians in Cambridge seeking validation of his work. Hardy wrote enthusiastically back to Ramanujan and had his stamp of approval improved Ramanujan's status almost immediately. Ramanujan was named a research scholar at the University of Madras, receiving double his clerk salary and required only to submit quarterly reports on his work. But Hardy was determined that Ramanujan be brought to England. Ramanujan's mother insisted at first, as Indian traditional families had strong belief that crossing oceans is a sin, but finally gave in ostensibly after revision. In March 1914, Ramanujan boarded a steamer for England. Ramanujan's arrival at Cambridge was the beginning of a very successful 5-year collaboration with Hardy. He was amazed by Ramanujan's uncanny formal intuition in manipulating infinite series, continued fractions, and like I have never met his equal and can compare him only with the Euler or Jacobi. So this is the words said by the Hardy. Nothing but I have never met his equal and can compare him only with Euler or Jacobi, the famous mathematicians. Ramanujan's years in England were mathematically fruitful. Cambridge granted him a Bachelor of Science degree by research in 1916. Ramanujan's dissertation was a highly composite numbers and consisted of 7 of his papers published in England. He was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society, the first Indian to be so honored in 1918. So in 1918, he was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society. It is one of the prestigious one. So in 1917, he was hospitalized, his doctors fearing for his life. By late 1918, his health had improved. He returned to India in 1919, but his health failed again and he passed away in the year 1920. So let us go through some of the contributions regarding Ramanujan. So Ramanujan made substantial contributions to the analytical theory of numbers and worked on elliptic functions, continued fractions, and infinite series. In 1900, he began to work on his own on mathematics, summing geometric and arithmetic series. Ramanujan had shown how to solve cubic equations in 1902 and he went on to find his own method to solve the quartic. By 1904, Ramanujan had begun to undertake research. He investigated the series 1 by n and calculated Euler's constant to 15 decimal places. So Euler's constant nothing but E. So that value he proposed up to 15 decimal places. He began to study the Bernoulli numbers, although this was entirely his own independent discovery. He worked on hypogeometric series and investigated relations between integrals and series. Later, he discovered that it was elliptic functions. Ramanujan continued to develop his mathematical ideas and began to pose problems and solve in the Journal of the Indian Mathematical Society. He developed relations between elliptic modular equations in 1910. He published a brilliant research paper on Bernoulli numbers in 1911. Ramanujan's own work on partial sums and product of hypergeometric series have led to major development in the topic. Next, Ramanujan worked out the Riemann series, the elliptic integrals and hypergeometric series and functional equations of the zeta function. Next, he worked on divergence series. He sent 120 theorems on divergence series to Hardy in 1913. The famous conjecture, nothing but Goldbach's conjecture, is one of the important illustrations of Ramanujan's contribution towards the proof of the conjecture. The statement is nothing but every even integer greater than 2 is a sum of two primes, that is numbers having no divisors. Ramanujan and his associates had shown that every large integer can be written as a sum of at most 4 primes. Next, he also did considerable work on the unsolved Fermat theorem, so which is very famous for the number theory. Fermat theorem, nothing but a prime number of the form 4m plus 1 is a sum of two squares. 1729 is a very famous Ramanujan number. Okay, it is the smallest number which can be expressed as sum of two cubes in different ways, in two different ways. So nothing but 1729, it is a number and it is the smallest which can be represented as a sum of two cubes in two different ways. So 1 cube plus 12 cube is one form and another form is 9 cube plus 10 cube. Next, he also produced quite a number of results in definite integrals in the form of general formulae. Ramanujan left behind several notebooks filled with theorems that mathematicians have continued to study. In 1997, the Ramanujan Journal was launched to publish work in areas of mathematics influenced by Ramanujan. So every year on December 22nd, Indians proudly celebrate as a National Mathematics Day in the schools and colleges, various educational institutions conducting mathematics quiz and mathematics exhibition, mathematics fairs, etc. So Srinivasa Ramanujan 1887 AD to 1920 AD, the proud of Indian mathematicians, okay, with the very less age, in the span of very less time, he gone through various observations, contributions in the field of mathematics throughout the world. And every year since from 10 to 20 years back onwards, Ramanujan Prize is given to the various persons in the development of mathematics. Okay, so this is also one of the important observation, so related to Srinivasa Ramanujan. So finally, December 22nd is National Mathematics Day on behalf of Ramanujan's birth anniversary. Okay, Jai Hind. Stay to your near and dear friends after watching the video. Thank you for following the video completely. Share the video and subscribe my channel those did not done, and comment, and please like if you feel good. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye.